Welcome to the Han Market of Da Nang. Marcus is looking out for a hat because it's getting very hot. Hotter Da Nang in the summer. It's not even March yet. And it says it's raining every day. It does not look like it. Okay. So somehow it's brutally hot already in the sun.
You can see the difference. It's just 2 days. It's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
look at here and here.
Yeah, it's crazy. So he needs a hat, and maybe I should get a hat too. Maybe we should have this fisherman hat or something.
Is it this one?
Or a fisherman hat with a Korean hex spoiler.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, he has one, and exactly that what we need as well.
Okay.
So, oh, Marcus, you're a fisherman, right?
That's crazy, right?
So this is a fishing utensils here. Fishing rods. You can get everything, yeah. All the small little things. So if you're into fishing, maybe.
Come on.
Can it go in here?
No. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
And let's go to the main entrance. We're walking around the Han Market right now. They're gonna enter the main entrance. The Han Market in Da Nang, Vietnam, in the city center here, right next to the Han River.
Is it this area is Hai Chau?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Hai Chau. And you can see here a lot of, I think, lots of Korean stores. We could also call it Little Korea, maybe. Okay, how do we? Yeah, we just need a hat store. We need a hat store. I just don't like hats that much because my head is so big. But maybe we find something. Marcus definitely needs something because he's walking every day. This is the main entrance to the Han Market. You can buy here some nuts, all kinds of stuff. Maybe I should hold the camera a little bit higher. Yes, you can see here, this is very good. The mango, the dried mangoes, very delicious. Marcus cannot get enough of that. Hello. All right. Some traffic jam over here. Some tour groups are here. We're gonna go all the way upstairs. So this is downstairs area here. So we're gonna go upstairs to the hats, shirts, garment. You can get scarves here. You can even get some clothing done here, tailored. Now we have to find a hat store. It's a little bit difficult to get out here.
어떤 거야? 검은색 짝도 있어. 또 있어요.
All right, let's go. You can get all those kinds of branded shoes here as well. How legit they are is questionable. But yeah, if you like Crocs, this is like heaven for you. Because why would you pay real money for real Croc utensils? Because it's pretty much the same.
I see hats there.
All right, let's go to the hats. They got all kinds of Crocs. That's what David has, right?
Yeah, I think I have to buy one for myself too. You
Oh
know?
God, Marcus, you cannot do that. You're not a dad yet.
Hello.
Hello.
This side.
Why is she holding me? She's holding me. Thank you. She's holding me. Okay, we need hats. That's what we need here.
I saw one.
Oh yeah, there's a black hat with a Vietnam flag on it. That's nice.
Oh, the green one, you see?
Yeah, but that's a little bit too normal. Marcus, you always have black. We need a hat with a heck spoiler.
That would be nice.
The heck spoiler
we
we
should
need.
ask Stefan
Chang, yeah.
because he's an expert. What do you think about this? Just measure neck, but it's just.
Yeah, but you need a with the heck spoiler.
Yeah.
So for the neck, bro. You get all kinds of sandals here.
Let me go through.
Put it on. I want to see how you look.
Cái Adidas chữ đen đó con.
Oh, maybe this is good enough. So I'm officially a tourist.
It's from
to be
Nike.
honest. That's not from Nike. That's not from Nike. Oh, what do you say? Is it?
I mean, you look like a. Oh, that's the heck spoiler. Oh, neck. Yes, that's actually.
Maybe the color is so but.
Yeah. We need this in black.
Yeah.
Okay, put it on. Oh my God.
What do you say?
Very stylish. This is, I think, for the mouth.
Oh, really? It's for here?
Yeah. You have to. But you can take this away.
Oh, okay.
But this is a huge head.
Yeah, that's really big, right?
It looks very dumb, but I think it's
But it's just
working
for the
good.
protection.
I know.
Black?
Or maybe in black.
Black?
Then.
Only?
Then. Okay. We'll find it. You got here Patagonia. Try this one.
Patagonia? It's tight, but yeah.
You also have a big head, huh?
Yeah, but I think no.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the Nike one?
I think the one with that's too big. But the one we saw before was nice. Looks stupid but nice.
Maybe this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I think that's great. Oh, very nice. Ah, other way around. Oh, very nice. How do I look?
Good. You need that. You need that too. 100%. I think I would buy it. Well, what do you think?
I look like a moron.
What do you think? I should buy it so we close the deal so we don't have to look for it?
No, let's look a little bit further. I
Okay.
think we can find something else. Look at this. That's also a nice one. Try this one out. Sometimes they have different types of.
It's very big.
You look so bloody dumb with that thing.
Thank you.
I actually look the same dumb as you. Imagine we would walk around like this.
This is the first time I see myself.
I never wear a hat in my life, and like something like this is just insane. All right. Let's keep an eye. Maybe we find something else. No,
Not now.
we need to find for neck.
Neck.
But we come back. That was it's for like maybe North Face. Okay, if we don't find anything, we're gonna just get it here. Okay, we got more hats over there. Maybe not even black, right? Black might be very hot. Maybe beige.
That's pretty much the same.
Okay. Let's walk around. Maybe we'll find something. It's only shoes. I think we have to go to the other side.
Okay, let's walk through.
Excuse me? Oh, these are Kenny hats. Marcus,
Yeah. I saw.
think it fits? Too small, right?
Small.
Damn it. Maybe this one. This one? I would love to have a hat like this.
I think it's too small.
What about you?
Das ist der Laden, wo wir schon waren, ne? Sorry, this is the store we were. Maybe I want to have this one.
Or this one from Prada.
Just for you? Oh, I think yeah. It's better. Like you should choose white because of the temperature. Because black is so getting hot. Very fast.
But black fits always.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what? Okay guys, so Marcus just bought it. He's ready for long time traveling. So his was 140. He did not negotiate. I feel it's already cheap enough.
But now
Mine was 100, so mine was $3.80. Very good.
looks-
Yeah, I think I'm very, very happy with my hat now. I'm wearing it already, so I'm excited. Now I can do even more walking tours on the beach, because I did one today and it was just too hot. It was already burning my hat like crazy. You can get some more fake Gucci bags and lots of different purses, wallets, but you need to know. So the prices of these wallets are just double than what it is really. So because those wallets you can get for
do you need still a wallet?
yeah, no, I got one. Emma bought one on on TikTok shop. Black real leather for $4. I know, brown real leather $4. No brand, very nice.
Or is it an Air Force One?
Yes.
Or maybe this is the Air Force 2 because not from Nike.
But those are very stylish. Yeah. Look at this. It's pretty cool.
Or even for the kids they have. I think for kids it's very good because
Yes, they grow out so fast. I think, and they don't even know. But if you want to put your kid into some drip, just buy those fake ones. Yeah. But for normal people, I don't know. For me, I really appreciate real good technology instead of looks. So I don't care about brand. I really care about how it feels. But I'm also old, so never mind. Don't listen to me. I think I'm ready to become a dad. I wear dad shoes. I have a fisherman hat. And here you can actually get our size tailored to you. You don't have to go to Hoi An for that. All right, let's go down here, right? I never walked down here. I think we're ready for the heat, man.
I'm so hungry.
You hungry? Me too. We should eat something here. Look at this. This is the market from downstairs. You can buy fresh fruits, vegetables, very good. Beautiful.
Spicy sauce, right?
Yeah, but this is you are scared of those sauces, my friend. Those are the sauces that I love. Mam Nem, Mam Dom, Noise. But I took Marcus there once. He was like very shocked. I absolutely love those sauces. They're not for beginners though, but they're beautiful. It smells very strong in here. I love it. But I think this is the way to the food market. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just lost now.
It is.
Okay. You smell the food? Here you can get some durian, but you cannot bring it to the... So durian you can never bring to the hotel or apartment buildings. They always have signs up. So you gotta eat them outdoor.
Food is in this direction because I
Yeah.
recognize the stairs.
And mangosteen you can also not bring because they're the color doesn't go out of white sheets. But it's very delicious. Mangosteen, when you're in Vietnam, you should definitely eat that. Very important. Because they're also very affordable here. And freshly produced. Beautiful. Oh, sorry. Ah, yeah. Marcus knows where to go to the local markets.
Cái này là bô. Cái bô rồi. Để chồng ông rồi. Rồi đi cái nữa cho nó cho.
Yes, so this is the food market. So you can actually get some breakfast, lunch. I'm not sure about dinner. You can get some fresh noodles if you want to cook home. Want to do some noodles at home. You can get a haircut. Yeah,
Before shopping.
yeah, everything. Or you just put the lady there and eat something. Beautiful. Oh, thank you.
Cái này cũng đầy này.
You can get some $1 lunch.
Tụi ta sẽ cho吃饭了. Vô đây nhìn đồ ăn cho dễ nè.
Hello, mango, avocado, coffee, orange, lemon, celery, coconut.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like. Thank you.